Hey everyone, welcome back to the mobile app UI design series. In this video, we are designing a complete music play app UI from scratch using Figma and real-world inspiration from Mobbin. If you've been following the series, we've already built some beautiful app interfaces, and today we are taking things up a notch with something creative, fun, and visually dynamic. Before we dive into Figma, let me show you how I plan this design. Whenever I start a new project, I always explore Mobbin. It is honestly one of the best tools for UI/UX designers to analyze real product interfaces. Mobbin is packed with 500,000 plus app screens from 1000 plus top products, including Spotify, YouTube Music, and SoundCloud. It is perfect when you need design inspiration or want to see how industry leaders solve UI challenges. You can filter by app category, screens, or specific UI components like cards, tab bars, or menus. And they just soft launched something super exciting, the Mobile Animation Library. It's a growing collection of real app animations, transitions, and micro interactions captured straight from live products. You can literally see how elements move, not just how they look. It's a game changer if you are into motion design or want to make your interfaces feel more alive. For this project, I explored the music and audio category to understand how top apps structure their flows, from home screens and playlists to play layouts. If you're serious about improving your design workflow, you gotta check Mobbin out. It literally saves me hours of trial and error. Alright, let's jump into Figma. Before we start designing the screens, I already set up a simple design system for this app, just to keep things consistent. We've got our logos, color palette, icons, and a few basic components that we'll reuse later. Let me quickly create color styles using these colors, so it will be easier to stay consistent across all the screens. Alright, cool. That's gonna save us a lot of time later. Okay, let's start building. Let's splash screen. I'm keeping this super simple, just the app logo right in the center with a nice grading background that matches the music vibe. Let's see how this looks. Yeah, that's clean. Next, the home screen. This is where users discover playlists, albums, and trending songs. Let's start by mapping out the wireframe. We'll have a header, a search icon, under that I'm adding a horizontal section for the For You playlists, those personalized music cards. And then below that, let's add another section for trending music, but this time we'll design the one vertically so it feels different. Cool, that's a nice structure. Alright, now let's move on to the hi-fi design. design these cards properly, I'm going to jump into Mobbin real quick. Let's filter the category to music and audio. And under UI elements, select card. You'll see a ton of great examples here. I really like this one. Notice how it includes its song title, a short description, and a play button right on the card. It's clean, functional, and visually appealing. Alright, let's copy the screen and paste it into Figma as our reference. Now let's design our own version. Rounded corners and maybe a gradient for the play button to make it pop. Include the track title and a short description. That should be enough for this section. Okay, now I'm gonna design the trending section vertically. You can follow along with these steps. We reuse the same card layout but tweak it a bit for this view. And just like that, we've got a clean, engaging home screen that feels familiar but still has its own vibe. Alright, so next up, the sound and playlist status screen. Okay, I'm thinking we'll keep this one super clean. At the top, let's drop in the album art. That's gonna be our main visual focus. Below that, we'll have the track list. Each song with a small thumbnail, title, artist name, and duration. Pretty standard, but it looks polished when spaced out properly. Now instead of a big button at the bottom, I'll actually add a play button right next to the playlist title. It's just easier to reach and feels more intentional in the layout. Okay, so I'll move this into the high-fidelity design now. think this layout keeps things simple but it still feels premium. Let's move to the next one, the audio player screen. So this is pretty much the core of any music app, right? It is where users spend most of their time, so it needs to feel clean and focused. I'm gonna hop over to Mobbin real quick and check out a few audio player patterns, staying in the music category and filter screens to audio player. Here we go. I really like how Spotify had said big album art in the center, minimal controls, and just overall really good spacing. So we'll take that as inspiration, but obviously give it our own twist. Okay, back in Figma, let's start with the album art front and center. Highlight the soft gradient in the background so it blends nicely. Then we'll drop in the track title, artist name, and the progress bar below that. I'll also add control buttons, play, pause, next, previous, plus the shuffle and repeat icons. Okay, yeah, that looks solid, clean, modern and easy to use. Exactly what you want in a play screen. Cool, let's move on to the next one. Alright, next up the sound lyrics screen. For this one, I'm going for something clean and immersive, something that really pulls you into the track. So So first, I'll add a soft purple gradient background. It picks up the vibe from the album art and gives off the neon late night energy. Next, I center the lyrics right in the middle and make the current line bold in white, while the rest fade slightly into the background. Kinda like the real-time lyrics effect you see in modern music apps. It's simple but it feels super dynamic once it's in motion. Alright, let's start designing. You can follow along as I set up the layout. And thus the lyrics screen done, super clean, minimal, and it really nails the immersive in the zone vibe. Alright, next up the library screen. I'm gonna duplicate the home screen for this one just to keep base layout and background gradient consistent. Now I remove the extra elements from the previous screen just to start fresh. For this layout, I wanna make it super clean and easy to navigate. At the top, I'll add a quick filter tabs, all playlists, songs, and artists, so users can easily switch between their saved music. And right below that, I'll design a vertical list showing all the tracks, each with the album art, song title, artist name, and duration. Alright, let's start designing. You can follow along as I build this out. This screen is all about clarity and vibe, simple, modern and effortless to browse. Exactly what you'd expect from a premium music app. Alright, finally the profile screen. This one's all about giving the user a personal vibe. I'll start by adding the profile image right at the top with a circle stroke around it, just to make it pop against the dark background. Below there I drop in the username and a short tagline. It gives a nice personal touch. Then I set up the quick text section, playlists, followers and following. Space evenly so it feels balanced and clean. And finally, I'll add a playlist section showing a few album covers with a song count next to each one. Super visual and easy to browse. It's minimal but it feels premium, like something straight out of a real music app. Alright, that wraps up the profile screen. It ties everything together and gives the app a nice finishing touch. Now let's zoom out and take a look at how all screens come together. Let me just clean this up real quick. Alright, nice, that's looking clean. The transitions feel natural and I love how the color palette ties the whole app together. Everything connects smoothly from the splash screen to the player and profile. It feels like a real product now. And that's a wrap. We just designed a complete music player app UI in Figma, and Mobbin helped a ton in figuring out how to structure our cards, layouts and audio player screens. If this video inspired you or helped you learn something new, make sure to like this video, subscribe and check out the Mobbin link in the description. Stay tuned, the next video in this series is gonna be even better. See you in the next one.